Marketing has changed. In the past, companies reached customers through print ads, television, and radio. These methods were expensive. It was hard to know if they worked. Today, people are online. They use the internet to shop, learn, and connect. Businesses followed. This new way of marketing is called digital marketing. It is about reaching people where they are, online. This shift to digital has been gradual. Now, it is essential. Businesses that want to thrive need to master this new landscape. Digital marketing is not just about technology. It is about people. It is about understanding them and connecting with them in meaningful ways. Digital marketing is any marketing that happens online. It uses digital channels to reach customers. These channels include websites, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, search engines like Google, Bing, email, and mobile apps. Think of it this way. Every time you see an ad on your phone, that is digital marketing. When you search for something on Google and a company's website appears, that is digital marketing. Digital marketing is everywhere. It is the new normal for businesses of all sizes. Digital marketing is important for several reasons. Global reach. It allows businesses to reach people around the world. This is especially important for businesses that sell products or services online. Cost-effective. It is often more affordable than traditional marketing methods. This is because it allows businesses to target their marketing efforts more effectively. Measurable results. Digital marketing campaigns can be tracked and measured. This allows businesses to see what is working and what is not. They can then adjust their campaigns accordingly. Targeted audience businesses can target their marketing messages to specific groups of people. This ensures that their message is seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in it. In short, digital marketing offers a powerful way to connect with customers and grow a business. Section 4. The tools of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad field. There are many different tools and techniques that businesses can use. Some of the most common components include SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing a website for search engines. The goal is to rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find the website. Social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms to connect with customers and promote products or services. Content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage a target audience. Content can include blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics. Email marketing. This involves using email to stay in touch with customers and promote products or services. Paid ads. This involves paying to display ads on websites, social media platforms, and search engines. These are just a few of the many tools and techniques that businesses are using to succeed in the digital age. Section 5. The future is digital. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. New technologies and platforms are emerging all the time. This makes it an exciting and dynamic field to be a part of. The future of digital marketing is bright. Businesses that embrace digital transformation will be well positioned for success. They will be able to connect with customers in new and innovative ways. They will be able to reach new markets, and they will be able to grow their businesses in ways that were never before possible. The key is to stay ahead of the curve. Businesses need to be willing to experiment and adapt. The only constant in digital marketing is change.